Peace and Black Power families, brother AGYEI TYEHIMBA from Harlem Liberation School. You know, racism doesn't always kill us suddenly. Sometimes, and most of the time, it kills us slowly. No gunshots, no sirens, and no viral videos. Just stress day after day, year after year, quietly breaking down Black minds and bodies. There's science to back this up now. They have a name for it, this damage. It's called allostatic load. Allostatic load is a measurement of the wear and tear on the human body caused by chronic stress. Your body is designed to handle short-term danger, what we refer to as fight or flight, and then it returns back to its normal balance. But oppression does not let that system shut off. For many Black people, stress isn't occasional, it's constant. We're talking about dealing with microaggressions, financial pressure, code switching, over-policing, watching doomsday news, and carrying generational trauma that we did not create. So this means that our nervous systems stay activated far longer than they are supposed to. And when your stress never ends, stress hormones like cortisol become elevated in our bodies. And when that happens over time, we have high blood pressure, stroke, diabetes, chronic inflammation, weakened immune systems, anxiety, depression, and sleep disorder. Now, I'm just curious, does any of that sound familiar to you? See, this isn't about, you're too sensitive or this one or that one is too weak. This is what happens when our bodies are forced to live in survival mode for entire lifespans. And oppression literally teaches our bodies to expect danger and prepare for danger, even when there is no immediate threat present. So when we talk about racism, this is not just about external laws, external policies, and external incidents, family. We have to talk about the damage that oppression, particularly white supremacy, does internally. And more importantly, we have to talk about how do we undo that damage. And this is why healing practices, they are not luxuries, they are actually necessities. Right now, during the holidays, many of us are carrying extra emotional, physical, and financial stress. And that's why my brother Daryl at FAM is offering a holiday healing special for those of you in New York City. And it's focused on restoring our nervous systems and reducing that allostatic load I've been talking about. His services include therapeutic massage, yoga, and restorative body work, different things that are designed to help your body exhale and relax. Yoga calms your nervous system, massage lowers your cortisol, and both help to interrupt those dangerous stress cycles that racism tends to keep us in. So if you serve the community, you organize, you teach, or you're just working, going to school, taking care of a family, and you're carrying way too much responsibility, this might be a thing for you to take advantage of during this holiday season, and these services are discounted. Scan the QR code if you're interested, or use the link to learn more and take care of your body this holiday season, and do it with intention. Now, beyond that, there's 3 ways that we can all actively reduce our allostatic load. Number 1, regulate our nervous systems. This means that sleep is not optional. Sleep is mandatory. Breathing practices, prayer, meditation, visualization, stretching, and limiting the negative and traumatic news you watch, reduce that. Number 2, build collective support. Call your peoples up. Check on people. See how they're doing. Call your family members. Go visit friends. Isolation raises stress hormones. I don't know if you knew that. Whereas when you're in a safe community, those become healing spaces, family. Number 3, we have to redefine this concept we have in the Black community of strength. It's not about how long you can stay up and never get rest. Strength includes setting healthy boundaries, getting proper rest, making sure that we have time to recover. If exhaustion is one of the tools of oppression, then proper rest becomes an act of resistance. We die prematurely because of stress. But when we understand allostatic load, we gain a language, a consciousness, and strategies and tools so that we can protect our bodies, protect our minds, and we can choose to survive in a way that leads to longevity, not just enduring stress.